Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and if you don't know me yet, let me introduce myself shortly. I'm Vaikhri Pujari. I'm a personal stylist and an entrepreneur. I have my own styling company, Uniquely Mainstream, wherein we style everyone for any occasion for your body type, in your comfort zone and also in your budget. If you think that's too good to be true, then there is a link in the description. Go check it out. It's our Instagram handle, so you can get to know more about us. If you want to know anything more than that, then feel free to DM us anytime. For those who have been here for a while, first of all, thank you and congratulations to us for 1.5k subscribers. And I'm sorry I was missing here on YouTube. For some reason I don't find this platform very communicative, so I could not tell you what was going on, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you might know what was going on. I had a few personal things to take care of, but anyway, I'm back, and today's video is something I wanted to do for a long time, but I was just not sure how many of you are stationery lovers, but then I felt who is not, you know. So let's dive right into it. If you are someone who has spent their childhood in India and you are not an artist, then this video and the products in this, the quality of those is gonna blow your mind. And of course, the best part being all of these are available on Amazon. Now, most of the products I could get delivered in less than 2 weeks for sure, less than 1 week also, and next day delivery also for few items. But these are not something very difficult to find. It's just that we don't know this brand, so we don't come across it. So let's see what we have. Let's take a look at the first thing. And these is my favorite. These are my favorite pens of all times. And when I received the first pack, I ordered these two separately. I received the first pack and my mind was completely freaking blown that something can be this great quality. They are from this brand called Zebra. These are basically highlighters, but they are rebranded as mild liners because the colors that they have are super pretty and not neon-y like most of the highlighters that we get in the market. The quality, oh my god, what do I even tell you about the quality? The first time I used this, I did not know a pen, especially a highlighter, could be smooth at all. And these are like, if you have regularly used the Camlin highlighters and all those things, which all of us do, then these are at least 20 times better than those. Now granted that these are a little bit expensive. This pack, the pack of 5 comes for 500 rupees. So these are not very student friendly unless you are someone who actually needs these and are gonna use them completely, like till they dry out or something, then it's completely worth it. But if you are looking for journaling supplies, then these are the perfect things. And one of the most important thing that I completely forgot to tell you is that these are double-ended. So that means it has highlighter on one end, but then the other tip is fine tip. So it is basically like a pen, so you can use it in a lot of different ways. I would try to give you swatches of these, but I don't know how aesthetically pleasing my videos can turn out. So I might link a few videos in the description if you want to check out the swatches of these and exactly how they are going to turn out. Now, one thing to remember about this is these are best when written on a very good quality paper. Now if you take a general notebook that we have available in the market, these might show through, like pass through, because the paper is not good enough for quality. So in turn these might also not be the best for notebooks and all, but for books with thick quality papers this should definitely work, and for journaling this will definitely work. Now there are one more pack of highlighters that I love. These ones are from the brand Stabilo, and again these are also in the pricey range, but let me tell you, these Stabilo brand has two type of designs in their highlighters. So one are the regular normal highlighters with the bulky short pen, you know, and these ones are the Swing Cool edition. So these kind of look like pens, but let me tell you, if you want to buy Stabilo highlighters, then just go with the regular ones, because these are not circular pen shaped. These are more like a square shaped. So these are not really that comfortable to write with, as comfortable as the Zebra ones. So anyway, there's no point putting more money in buying this when you could just buy the cheaper version of the same Stabilo pens. They come in exact same colors and everything, just they are a bit cheaper. Now these again are highlighters, but what makes them perfect is the colors. These colors are pastels When I see them, I feel like eating all these colors. Seriously, they are so pretty. I bought a pack of 4. These ones are sort of cheaper than the zebra ones if you are buying the regular pack and not the Swing Cool ones. So these two are like definitely worth the quality. If you want for pastel, like a set of pastels, then this is also a great option. These also come in a pack of 6 where you have additional yellow and orange as well. So these are also great, but at the end of it, let me just tell you straight up, if I had to choose between Stabilo and Zebra, I would always choose Zebra. They are both very good quality, but just small things like the hold of the pen and the dual end and all of these things make the Zebra ones so much better for a little extra cost as compared to Stabilo. So I will definitely go with the Zebra ones. The next packs I have are again Stabilo, but these are fine liners. Now the difference is fine liner is basically something with a very small tip. So if you want to make designs with them or anything with like very fine lining, then these are the best ones. I bought 2 packs in this. First one is a pastel one and the second one is more of vibrant dark colors. And both of these packs are not again the typical 12 pack, like the typical colors that we get in a 12 pack, and that is what I love the most about these. These again are expensive as compared to any other pens, but the fact that they are so smooth while writing, considering the smallest tip probably they have, it might be like 0.3 or something. So considering that, it is a really soft pen. Now out of these 2 packs, if you want to buy any one, I would suggest you go with the darker one, because I have the pastel packs and they don't show up as good on white paper. Now let's keep the expensive things aside for a bit, because I know everyone is on a budget and we have to choose if it comes to buying multiple products. I have something really affordable for all of you. These are Faber-Castell sketch pens, and this is a pack of around 220 something like that, and this has almost 31 or 33 colors in this, and these are again so pretty. Now of course the quality is going to be different, and considering the camel ones and all of those come in the exact same price range, these are way better. For some reason I like the design also. It's like really aesthetic looking. If you wanna have it in pictures or something. The container that it comes with is again a steel container, so I love that too because it's very easy to store. If you are someone who is on a tight budget and you don't want to spend on anything else but still want some sort of colored pens, then this is something you can go with. The last thing that I got from Amazon I want to show you are these paper tapes. Now I was looking for something in pastel colors and I finally found these on Amazon. Now most of the tapes kind of look sketchy because some of them don't come as shown in the pictures, but these were really pretty. I'll be leaving a link in the description if you want. The designs are really cute, but one thing I will definitely mention, that the glue on these things is not very sticky, so if you want to use it for something other than paper, it probably will not work. This was the last item from Amazon, but wait a little bit because I want to give a huge shout out to a brand which is making bullet journals and some best quality and pretty bullet journals. Now this is a like really minimal design that I've got here, but the thing I want to talk the most about is the quality of the paper. They have different GSM quality of paper. GSM is basically the standard of the thickness of the paper, and these are I think 120 GSM or more. I'll be leaving it here. I exactly don't remember because their website has a lot of different quality of papers and lot of different designs in journal, lot of different sizes. This was an A5 size, so you can see it on the reference that I'll be putting the video here, how much A5 will come out to be, and a B5 size is bigger than this. Amazon has this, but the problem with those bullet journals on Amazon is like they are first of all like very few pages, less than 100 pages most of the times, and not as great of a quality. So what's the point of getting good pens when you don't have a good paper? So that's why I want to give a huge shout out to this brand called Vinci Stationery. You can order from their website, but the payment you have to do on their Instagram. If you DM them, they'll clarify any of the doubts that you have. So if you are a stationery junkie and if you want good journal, they have bullet journals also, they have lined ones also, they have plain one also, which you can use as sketchbooks also. All of those are available on their website, so definitely check those out. And now that we are talking about stationery and office supplies and college supplies and school supplies, I have one more brand to introduce you to. The brand is Zook. They have all sort of bags and pouches and storage solutions. They kindly gifted me a laptop bag, which I am going to review for you in this video. This brand is Indian and 100% vegan, which I love about it. They have a lot of different designs on their website, but I got a black one because I usually don't need to take my laptop bag unless it's a very formal occasion. So that's why I got a black one, but they have tons of variety and some pretty designs on their website. Now the part that I love the most about this bag are the compartments. The more compartments, the more organizable the bag is, the better, right? So these has so many compartments. Apart from the laptop itself, I also have to carry a tablet most of the times, so it has a big pocket in front where I can keep my tablet. Apart from these also, they have chain pouch inside where you can keep anything like headphones and pens and all those sort of things which can get easily lost, but you need them like in hand and you shouldn't be fumbling to find things. In addition to this, they have some small pockets as well where I can keep my hard drives, my power banks. So basically this bag is something that gives me a complete solution for whenever I have to go out for work. Talking about the price, this one when I got, they had a Mother's Day sale going on. So at that time you could have got the exact same bag for 1500 rupees. Even now they have sales going on, coupon codes on their websites. You can check those out. And in addition to that, I have a coupon code for you. The coupon code will be given right here. It has a 15% discount on your purchase. Any other details regarding the coupon will be given in the description box below. I'm not gonna receive any benefits even if you use the coupon code. This is just a thing I thought if you want to try this out, you can get a little bit of discount. So I got this discount code for all our viewers. So yeah, that was it for the video and I hope you enjoyed. And if you do try these pens out or anything else from this video, please do make sure to let me know. If you like this video, do leave a like and comment down below so that I can make more of these. I can also try to make more affordable versions of these. If you are seeing my face for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love it if you join this family. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.